On your Android phone, open the Play Store and search for Control Center Simple. Tap Install, then open to launch the app for the first time. When the app opens, allow the requested permissions so it can appear over other apps. Tap Allow or Enable wherever prompted. Now, you'll see the main Control Center Simple screen. At the top, there's a big switch to turn the Control Center on or off. Make sure it's turned on. By default, the Control Center is triggered from the right side of your screen. Slowly swipe in from the right edge to open it. You'll see quick toggles for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness, volume, and more. Each icon is a button you can tap to turn features on or off. Try tapping Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to see them change color when enabled or disabled. This confirms your Control Center is working. Now let's customize how you open the Control Center. Go back into the Control Center Simple app and look for the trigger area or edge options. Tap Trigger Area, then adjust the position, height, and width sliders. You can move the handle to the left side or keep it on the right. Next, open the Shortcuts or Items section. Here you can add, remove, or reorder the icons that appear in your Control Center. Tap the plus or add button to include new tools, like flashlight or screen recorder. Uncheck any items you don't use to keep it simple. Now swipe from your trigger edge again and slowly scroll through your new Control Center layout. Notice your custom icons and sliders in place. That's it. You've installed, customized, and learned to use Control Center Simple. Practice the swipe gesture until it feels natural, and enjoy faster control of your Android phone.